As a new year begins, it's a great time, from my perspective, of course, as a trademark attorney, to take a couple of steps and really ensure that your brand is prepared for the new year and for maximizing the protection of your brand. Of course, protecting of your brand has tremendous benefits for the brand itself, for your business as an asset. You can see and listen to me talk a lot more about that in other videos and podcasts. But I want to talk about three things in particular to focus on at the beginning of the year and ensure that you're protected. First thing, check your renewal deadlines for any trademark registrations you have. Whether they're at the USPTO or internationally, look at all your registrations and look for any renewals that might be coming due this year. If so, or if they're already eligible for renewal, move quickly, get those renewals submitted so that you don't risk losing a registration that you already earned and that has a built-up value in it. And you want to file generally towards the beginning of the renewal eligibility period because that gives you more flexibility if there is a problem during the process. Second thing I want you to do as you think about the new year and protecting your brand is to do a little audit of your business and its branding. So what do I mean by an audit? First is, what are all the different brand names, logos, and slogans that you use? Are they all protected and registered to the extent that they could be or should be? Especially if you launched any new logos or slogans or product names, or you're about to launch any of those things in the coming year, have you begun the process to register and properly protect those? Also, as part of this audit, you're going to want to look at how you're using your brands. Are you using the proper trademark symbols? Are you making your brand stand out and really resonate with consumers in a way that not only benefits the strength of the brand with the customers, but that helps benefit the strength of the brand legally because you're helping to make it stronger by separating it and making it stand out? Have you revisited your contracts with employees and vendors and independent contractors and made sure that intellectual property and trademark clauses are in those agreements and that they are proper and protecting you so that you're, again, ensuring protection and building more protection for your trademarks and intellectual property? Finally, if your business has been growing and expanding internationally of late, perhaps you want to consider whether you should be filing in any other countries to protect your brand names or your logos or your slogans. So whether that's in North America or Asia or Europe, wherever you're expanding, it's worth considering what should be done to protect your brands in other countries where you're doing business. Now, the third thing is even simpler for protecting your brand in the new year. That is copyright notices. Hopefully you're already using copyright notices where applicable on your website and on content that you create, videos like this, or podcasts, or ebooks, or articles, or blog posts, or visuals and images, whatever type of content you're generating, use copyright notice. And now, the key for the new year, make sure you're reflecting the proper year on those copyright notices. So you want to update the footer on the website and any other ongoing materials to note that the year of protection includes the current year. I hope you found those three tips useful in the new year for protecting your brand. I've got a plethora of other branding and trademark and copyright and intellectual property tips on my website at erikpelton.com, on my videos at erikpelton.tv, or on social media. You could just look at Erik Pelton, ErikPelton, on whatever platform you're on, and you'll find me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And thanks for watching.